Second thing we want to think about, especially as adult learners, one of the concepts of andragogy, or the study of adult learning, is the different motivations for wanting to learn something. Adults have to have a reason for wanting to learn something. They have to know that it's relevant and applicable and useful, and it's relevant to their experience. So we also want to think about why you want to learn this. If you turn to the next page on the workbook, there's different sorts of reasons. And no reason is perfect. It doesn't matter which one it is, but it's just good to think about why you actually want to learn this. So one reason could be for curiosity. Hemopath is just interesting. And so that might be a reason to want to learn it. Another reason might be for the challenge. You say, oh, hemopath is difficult, so I want to learn it just because other people say it's hard. And that's another reason. Another reason could be for competence. So as someone who would be in pathology, or someone who's going to take a hematopathology position or hematopathology fellowship, you definitely want to learn it because it's your job. It's your responsibility to learn it. So that's another reason, which is a good reason. I put here celebrity because hemopath is cool. I think that some other people may have different opinions, and it's okay that they're wrong. Or you might want to learn it because of cash or a career.